Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can do slow motion in Premiere Pro. So firstly, open up your Premiere Pro, and as you can see I have already added a footage in my timeline which is shot in 60 fps. In order for you to make a slow motion video, the footage should be above 60 fps. So moving on, what you have to do for making a slow motion in a video is just simply select the footage, then right click, then select speed/duration, check the box of ripple edit, and then change the speed. Let's say I want it 50%. So after that, just simply click OK. And now if I play this video, you can see it's smooth and a bit slower than the normal, but I want to make it more slower. So again, right click on the footage, speed duration, let's go with 30, then OK. And now if I play this clip, you can see it is much more choppier than the usual. So what you can do to improve this is optical flow. And how you're going to do that is, again, right click on the footage, click on speed duration, and in the drop down box over here, just simply choose optical flow, then press OK. And now when I play this footage, it is much more smoother and easygoing and a perfect looking slow motion. So that's how you can create slow motion videos in Premiere Pro. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.